Hello, everybody. Right, so I've watched our last episode. I'm sorry if you can hear me breathing. I didn't like that. That was not my intention. And I've also been told that I'm only allowed 2 to 3 days with a 15-minute max timer. So some of this may be cut out. We don't know. Do I press load or continue? Well, you can see my game. Look, this is Trent's out game and then the video. I'm on day 43 with 3,819. Discovery 64. What does discoveries mean? Oh well, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We're gonna play. We're gonna play. We're gonna play. Let's bop around with the sign. Bop, 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 bop. Everyone bop around with the slime. The Viotar are formed in. Yeah, we know this. We know this. We know this. We know this information. We know all of this information. I don't know what to do. I also realised it was really laggy last time in the other episode, so apologies for that. Does anyone know what we were doing last time? Oh, that was lag right there. I can't remember what we were doing. My inventory is empty, so that's no help. Let's take ourselves through what we've already got. We've got stone chickens. We've got hens and roostros. Do we have more roostros? No, we only have one. Didn't I save a roostro last time and actually keep it? I threw it in there. Just me? Just me. Yeah. So get ourselves a roostro then. I swear I had a second roostro. Oh, talking about chickens, here's Bob. This is the chicken dude. To be fair, he looks like a slime dressed up as a human. So, but I only have one roostro. I can give you the 6 normal hens. The 6 normal hens, fine. Oh, that was lots of lag there. Sorry, guys. You see all that lag. I'm trying my best. The computer's trying its best. We've got a lot of games on here. That's probably why. What is that growing? Heartbeats. Sorry, I had to check that. Slime statues. I need to find a booster. I'm on 587 coins. That's not good. That's very bad. I can do things. Do I have a backpack? No, I don't. That's what we need to do, actually. We need to upgrade my backpack to give me better options so that I can. I'm being hit by creatures. I don't like this. Hello there, good sir. Goodbye. Hey, ow. We've always got to rescue the chicks. Saying that I have no idea where any roosters are. Bye, good sir. Gonna jump over these rocks. Ba 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 ba. Don't know what that was. Don't know what any of that was. What are we doing? I've honestly forgotten what we had planned. It's just been vacuumed out of my head. It's all gone. Oh, we have mail. Let's go read it. Probably from Bob, to be fair. I mean, when is it not Bob? All the time. But I'm going to take that guess because Bob just came up on our little trader thing, so that's why I'm guessing it's Bob. Because every time we get a trader, we get a message from the trader. Yeah, this one. I'm gonna. My guess is it's Bob. Oh, we got 3-star mails. Okay, let's read this one first. The 7Z Corporation would like to extend a very special offer to you. An invitation to a very exclusive, exceptionally choice, highly sought after 7Z Rewards Club. The 7Z Rewards Club allows you to earn ultra premium ranks within an exclusive club for only a semi-ultra premium price. It's just that easy. Yeah, except it's like 9 million as it goes up. Each rank grants you a new club title along with unique rewards such as beautiful upgrades for your ranch, exclusive customization options, and more. We look forward to your involvement. The 7Z Corporation offering you a path to greatness or a large sum of new bucks at the same time. See, I have a plan for that. Now that we've got it, I was thinking every episode we could buy one at the start or when we get the money and then carry on with the episode. And then we got Bob's mail. Hello, Bob. Hello, hello, chickens. Hello, chickens. Chicken. Hello, Bob. P.S. S. Chicken. Right, okay. They're called hen hens. Casey, I got your mail. Of course I remember that day. What day? Replying the big storm, Casey. What? I haven't been emailing anyone. I got your mail. Of course I remember that day. I feel like that was when you and I really connected. It was raining so hard, the streets were flooding, and we took shelter in that cafe. It was like a scene from a movie, only we both looked like wet animals. And the guy running the shop was a real tyrant. The only way we could stay inside was by ordering one coffee after another. I felt like we learned more about each other that day than ever. Maybe it was the coffee, or because we were both talking really, really fast. I told you about my dreams, making music and all that. At least that's how I remember it. Walking home was when the rain came back. Ugh. Walking home when the rain came back, you got closer to me. My heart was racing, but I couldn't blame that on my coffee. Does Casey like my girlfriend? Do I have a girlfriend? I wouldn't mind a girlfriend. I'll have a girlfriend if it's offered to me. A girlfriend is all I need to be happy. Right, return to ranch. So that's that. Wait. We haven't purchased the first one of this. A Roostro weather vane. We need 750. So let's go purchase the first the thing and make it official. This is a series. I think we point it out in our description, but I also forgot to say something. I was that excited to play this game when in the first few episodes. That so thank you to Naomi Park for letting me play. Means a lot. Means a lot. Why do I have two cats? Let's run, 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 run. Well, that wasn't very good. There we go. All safe, all snug. That was cruel. Very cruel. How much do we have? We have enough for it. Let's go grab it. Let's go grab it. Let's go grab it. Let's go grab it. First episode, and we've done it. We've got our first upgrade. What's a Roostro weather vane? I want to change this grass. It's ugly. I don't like it. What was it? Oh, I remember now. We were opening up that for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, everyone count with Trinity because apparently she can't count. She's dumb. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Oh, that was a good shot. That was a good shot. I need a rooster for Bob. Oh, is that? Oh, we need that. We also need boom slimes too. Need to go get boom slime. I think I remember where they are. Don't quote me on it, but I think I remember. Uh, this isn't working the way I want to. Sorry, the keyboard's acting up again. I don't know if I'm quiet enough. I might need to start raising my voice, try and act a bit more confident in my life. But so far, this is what you've got so far. Me hiding away behind a mic because people don't accept me. Well, they do accept me. I have a lot of friends that accept me for who I am. But something this big like YouTube, I've always been terrified of doing because it's just too much. I'm only doing this for my mum, to be fair. She was really excited that she just wanted a channel. Only two of you today? I was expecting a bigger fight. Oh, the door's already open for us. Splendid. But he can't go down there because I don't have the backpack upgrade. That's what I was doing. Right, okay. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Have fun, you guys. Ah, almost got hit. But I dodged. That's new. Let's go back and get the backpack upgrade then. So many plorts. I've learned that plorts can like die, so we have to pick them up quick. Well, I think they can. I've never really seen it. My friend told me that if I'm not quick enough, they will despawn. So I think it's 350. It might be 350. The water tank is, yeah, the jetpack is 350. We need more. Oh, I have no idea if they have food or not. Probably not. Oh wait, no, they have 19. Okay, good. Always put it on the low sensitivity. Yes, there's more chance of them getting hungry and wanting to leave, but at least you won't run out of food as quickly. Keep your head in the clouds with the amazing personal jetpack. This is what I wanted, right? Everything's 350. That's not good. By that logic, I should be able to somewhat fly now. See, you hear that? That's me flying. So with this, let's skip to when we're in the cave system. Just about to go see the boom slimes, and I'll meet you guys there. And we're here. It's not really a cave system, it's more like a place. Right, you can leave. I need boom slimes. Can I open this? No, apparently not. I picked you up. Okay. Boom and radioactives is what I need. Beep. Boop. What? Are you crazy, man? Are you crazy? The Hector piece. We need to get to that at some point then. I've never actually noticed that. I come from there. I didn't. I had to fly down here, didn't I? Did I come from here? It seems like the cave system I came from. Oh, look, it's you. You only eat vegetables. These do nothing. Ah, oh, there it is. Discover this place. Oh, you can see the Gordo on the map. Has that always been there? Have I just missed a lot of Gordos? See, from here you can see the kind of design I want. This is going to be like my food area. This is where all my food is stored. And down here too, these little squares. And then over here, this is going to be like the entrance, my silos. I will move the heartbeats over here eventually, but these will be my two silos. These will be my main slimes I love. Here. My two chicken pens. Then in here will be things like my gentle hospice slimes and other slimes I can't really contain. Like my quantums, because they're annoying. I don't like them like teleporting all over my farm. I need them in a closed space so I don't have to keep worrying, you could say. Location, Indigo Quarry. 0 out of 2 keys. And then here goes the, what's it called? The barn. So in here will be the hundreds and thousands of, what are their names? Pink slimes that I can shoot into the thing over here. And then there'll be some food slots here. This will be my main area to gather machine work and stuff. Though if I want deep brine, however, there are certain places you can go for certain things. Like this place gives me deep brine, and then I'm guessing this place also will give me something else. That's a teleporter. That's a teleporter home. That doesn't show on the original map. So if we keep going this way, then we should eventually end up with a teleporter to go back. Should be okay. I have no idea how to get out of this place. Guessing it's through here. Hmm. Yeah, so let's keep going up. Find that teleporter. Find the teleporter. Find a good way back. He says she's completely forgotten what way she was even going. Boom and radioactives. Look at this. Did you know if you shoot a radioactive slime, they with water, they stop. How long do I have to be within the radioactive slime? That's an achievement, wasn't it? Uh, Stay inside a rad or for at least 15 seconds. Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. No! Why did you move? Right, let's let it go down and start that all again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, okay, let's say we got past 15, and that's my cue to leave. So I'm missing one thing. I'm missing a slime. 2. Okay, that makes 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. I can't be bothered to save them. I swear I was meant to be finding a portal. And that was my only way. Oh, that's a lot. I had a water pack. Oh, I'm up. Before anyone says you're not meant to be up there are pods up here which indicate I can be up here. No. Okay. Through here. Oh, crystal babies. What do I have with crystals? I think my crystal babies are. I don't need any more of you boom stuff. I think crystals belong with honey, so I need to wait till I get some honey slimes for that. Ow. That wasn't very cool. There should be a teleport around here somewhere. There also should be a hexa thing. I once came here to collect crystals for a little project of mine. I was trapped here for nearly 2 days when those curious crystal slimes came rolling my way and started firing off those dangerous shards. I thought I was going to kick the bucket. The crystals were for a wind chime. I bet Flora had it hanging from her porch. Worth it. I'm guessing you dated Flora then? Or wanted to. Don't know where I'm going, to be fair. This is mindless exploration. Wherever I go, they seem to follow. Good day, sirs. Good day. Well, right. We're gonna come back when I'm home and not in danger. Oh, right, we're back. Sorry. Just had to get some food for them to, like, do their stuff so they can grow. Here we go. Look at this. One, two, three, 4, 5. Only 5 of you. Breed. Right. However, I have also chosen to have crystal phosphor slimes, but to do so, I need to unlock the cave place. To do that, I need slime plots are worth more than these ones, even though these ones are up in price now with damp. So let's go get these slime plots. So I think yeah, it's 500. I'll bring you back when we have the money. We have the money. I didn't even need to bring you back for anything. But we have the money now. We can implement the plot collector. Which will be useful for picking up slimes. Like that. Right, let's go get some rest. Sleep until morning. We have exactly 25 minutes left of this episode. Well, not exactly, but on my account. And I'm back. So I went downstairs to get some cheese. Yeah, that's the one, cheese. Return to ranch. Right, go get our well-deserved plots. Why are there only two? Why have you produced none either? You are meant to be feeding them. I need to upgrade this. Too slow. Always too slow. Right. Sorry, guys. It must be done. Also, I don't know why you're still a rad door. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now we've got an actual money income. Right, let's just go sell what we already have. Something tells me I don't know if I'm just remembering my old world. Something tells me I've already opened that. Probably haven't, to be fair. That's still there. Oh wait, no, that doesn't leave. Yeah, 1,795. Okay. I don't have the money for this. We need another garden, really. I will be doing like upgrades out of camera, so just to make it easier for you guys, just so that you don't have to watch me do all the hard work. But I will leave the main parts for you, like the main storyline. Just not the grabbing food, put it in it, put it in it, ba 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 ba. Yeah. Can I just not speak during videos? You guys can watch a playthrough silently, can't you? I don't need to speak. I don't even need to be here. Okay. You don't need to see me planting foods. You don't need to see me trying to be the best rancher. And it's not like I'm gonna go buy one of those off camera because that's for videos only. Lots will be videos only unless, of course, I need money. Once I've got a steady flow of keeping the plots at a good rate, then I can't really keep video recording. So with that, I'll leave it here, guys. Yeah, me and the. Oh yeah, wait a second. Right, okay. Me. Right, let's start that again. And that's goodbye from me, guys. Me and the Roostros. Where is it? Me and the Roostro wish you farewell. Good luck, sirs and females, and every other gender out there. Wish you luck. And come join us again next time in our well, okay, that's a lot of money. In our adventures of Slime Rancher. Bye!